Whenever you're ready to promote particular products or offers or promotions to your customers or to your subscribers, it's a good idea, if you can, to actually prepare customized offers to different segments in your list based on different criteria. Maybe it's their past purchase behavior, or some type of like demographic information, if they've ever filled out any kind of interest survey, so that you can actually just prepare customized emails and landing pages with relevant products or offers that you think they would be the most interested in. So the easiest way to kind of think about this is actually thinking about, let's say, if you have actually promoted and sold products before, and you could simply just look back at previous purchase history whenever thinking about an upcoming promotion that you want to run. So for example, in my kind of example of like a bakery, let's say I've got a couple of new products that I want to promote. So I have a new cookie and I also have a new candy. Now, something kind of easy to think about is actually I could just search in my contact database. Of course, not any here showing up in my example, but here's what it could look like. So with my, I could look in my contact history to find any customers who have previously purchased baked goods before. And I can also see, because I've got, these two new product examples, I could also see who actually has tried or purchased my candy before, products in my candy category. And so then all you would need to do is just save these people as a segment, as a group, so that you can just target them directly and send them customized offer. So it's just kind of an additional step that you can take to make, a little bit more impact and more relevancy based on, people's interests. So you don't actually promote, something that somebody may not be interested in. And then here's an example of how I took those segments. So you can see my baked goods segments and my candy segment of customers, and I've prepared 2 dedicated emails. So, you can of course customize them so they look, whether they look pretty similar to each other, and you just swap out the different products. So you can see, for example, let's say this is my, promotion email, and these are like, check out my brand new cookies, you can purchase these now. And then to my other, group, I would be promoting my candy, for example. So this is just an easy way to prepare, multiple offers, based on the interest or past purchase behavior of your buyers. So this is just, a very simple example of when I was ready to launch this promotion. I could just turn this on, and now all of my customers would, flow into this workflow. I would segment them based on their, purchase history segments that I've saved, and I could automatically then deliver these promotional materials to them, or promotional emails to them. That's one way to think about creating these customized offers. You can also think about it in terms of different landing pages that you would send different traffic to. So, this is just a quick, example of, let's say, a landing page that I have promoting, my cookies, and then a page I have with my candies. So maybe in my email, or in my, advertising online, I'm directing different traffic based on different audiences that I'm targeting to different pages, different sales pages where I promote these products. So you can see, for example, maybe I would have like a sales funnel created dedicated to promoting my candies, and I could have a sales funnel set up dedicated to my cookies. So I could actually be able to monitor and promote automatically these sales and actually monitor my performance and revenue that I'm getting from each particular product. But basically, the kind of essence of what you're going for here is using any information that you have about your customers, about their interests, and just don't always try a one-size-fits-all. Sometimes that works great for discount promotions or new products. But if you do have the ability to actually understand the interests of your customers, you can then just take the extra time to prepare and segment out different groups and just customize your offers to them, whether it's customized emails or different landing pages that you actually send people to check out, from different sources like emails or from other traffic sources. So it's definitely a good idea, and it'll help you improve your relevancy and help you make more sales during your promotion time.